Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about color the objects having number 5. Dear students, here are some tomatoes with numbers. Let's read the numbers. 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5. Okay, now let's color the tomatoes with number 5. Dear students, here are some football and basketball. In the box, this is a football. How many footballs are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 football. Let's color number 5. This is a basketball. How many basketballs are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 basketballs. Let's color number 4. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.